Hello guys, so this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. The code name is Phox, and in this video I will show you how to flash the custom recovery on this phone using the PixelExperience Android 13. Okay, this tutorial can also be applied on the POCO X4 Pro 5G and the Redmi Note 11A Pro. Okay, and in the last section I will also going to make a quick review about the camera, the video, GPS, and other stuff. Okay, all the links and files and instruction I'll provide in my blog, and you can check in the description box. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum, we'll meet again with Bob. Today we have the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. It's a long word. Okay, in the previous video I already showed you how to root your phone using Magisk. Okay, the easy way on the stock ROM. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to customize this phone. Okay, we're going to install custom ROM on this phone using PixelExperience based on Android 13. Okay. So as I told you before in the previous video, we have a custom recovery for this phone, but it doesn't work for rooting. Okay, it's only work for custom ROM, so I will show you. And just to be noted, this tutorial can be applied on the three type of phone. Okay, the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, POCO X4 Pro 5G, and the Redmi Note 11A Pro. Okay, the three of the phones share the same specs. Okay, so you can use on those devices. Okay, all the device using the code name is Phox. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I want to show you the exciting system. We're going to in here we're using the MIUI 13.0.3 on Android 11. Okay, you don't have to use the same firmware, stock firmware like I do, but if you have a problem you can always flash my stock ROM. Okay, and like others, the first steps is you must unlock bootloader phone. Okay, it's very easy and straightforward. There is lots of tutorial on how to do it, and I don't want to show you. Okay, there is a lot of video out there and all including in my channel. Okay, so I have unlocked my phone. Make sure you have removed all emails. Okay, that's all. Let's turn off the phone and we're going to boot into the Fastboot mode. As usual, Fastboot mode can be accessed by pressing the volume down and the power button at the same time. Okay, just hold it for 3 seconds. 3 seconds, remove the power button, and 3 seconds, remove the volume down. Okay, you will see the Fastboot right there. Now let's plug in the USB cable. So this is the steps. Okay, I will put it in my blog, and if there's some revision I will also put it in there. Okay, and this is the file that we needed. I'm also going to put the link in my blog. Okay, so before you ask the file, check the description box. Okay, now let's open the terminal. First thing we need to do is go to the bootloader. Okay, you can run using this command or the manual way. Okay, done. And the second one, we need to flash the recovery. Okay, in this one, it is kind of different. Okay, because it has a dynamic partition, means that we have to flash it into the boot partition. Okay, let's copy the command, and we're going to use this one. Okay, Fastboot play space flash space boot space the recovery, and the second one is the vendor boot. Okay, it's modify Fastboot space flash vendor underscore boot space, and click and drag again. Done. Now all you need to do is put it into the custom recovery. Okay, we're going to use this command. And if it's failed, you can always use the manual ways. Okay, volume down and power button at the same time. Okay, nice. Now we have now we already boot into the custom recovery. It's right here. Okay, it's very quite simple. It doesn't like the TWRP, Orange Fox, or PBRP. It doesn't have a touch screen, so you have to navigate using the volume down, volume up, and power button to hit enter or OK. Yeah. Then next we need to format the data or factory reset. So navigate to the bottom. Okay, like here, select factory reset and hit the power button. Okay, and select format data. Done. Now let's go back using the volume up. Okay, and then power button, and then let's select the apply update right here. Hit OK, and hit it one more time. Okay, now it will initiate the ADB site load. Now let's find our custom ROM. This is our custom ROM, PixelExperience on Android 13. Okay. Now let's just type ADB space site load, and just click and drag the file. Okay, hit enter. It will start the process. Okay, so basically we're flashing the custom ROM using the ADB site load. And just for your information, this one has an SD card, but it is not the regular SD card. Okay, it's kind of SD card X or whatever. I don't have it, and it's kind of expensive. Okay, so we're going to use the ADB site load instead. Okay, we'll skip this one because it takes time, and when it finishes, we'll continue. Now it's done. Okay, let's do this again, and now we need to reboot into the system. Okay, press the volume up, power button, and select reboot system now. Okay, usually it will take time for the first time, so please be patient. Now you can see the boot logo in the Xiaomi Phone is changing from the MIUI into the Google Pixel logo. Okay, it seems that a good sign. Okay guys, now we are in the welcome screen. All you need to do is just hit next. Okay, because the phone already have gaps, so we got this welcome screen. Okay, hello guys, so this is our Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, and in this section I will try to make a quick review about ROM. Okay. Now we are using the PixelExperience on Android 13. Okay, now let's go to the settings. Right here, both phone, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. Okay. This is the build number, and this is the Android version, and it's using the Android security update on November 5, 2002. So go back and maybe some of you guys want to know the storage. Let's check the storage. You can see right here it's using the storage about 21 gigabyte. Okay, go back again. And let's go to the developer options. And here you can check the memory that are used. Okay, so we have 8 gigabyte of RAM, and the system use only 3 gigabytes, so we have about 5 gigabyte free. The average use is about 39%, and it's quite nice. Okay, you can see right here it's quite fast and doesn't feel any lag. Okay, I usually will change the animation scale into 0.5 to have a better experience. If you want to, you can change in here. Okay. And we also can see that in Android 13 we have a new material design. It's very nice and it's very beautiful. Okay, you can see lots of menu right here that you can put it in the up menu. We also have a power button menu, and let's check the email. Usually some of you guys will ask about the email. Okay, nice. So we have the first and the second email is safe. There is no problem with the email. And you can see right here we're using the Wi-Fi. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is working, the card also working. Very nice. So now let's continue. Let's test the GPS. Okay. It seems that GPS is working. It is on my precise location. Okay. For navigation, I cannot test it because we have to bring our phone on the street and take a ride. Okay, so I will assume that the GPS is working. Okay. Now that's the root beer. This ROM I haven't used the Magisk yet, so it's in the normal condition without root. Okay, you can see the root beer set not rooted, so it's green all the options and it says no root. Okay, let's check the safety net. Nice, it's fast. Maybe some of you guys want to use the Google payment or Gojek, Grab and other stuff, or I'm banking. This is very important. So nice, the root beer and safety net is working. Okay, and now let's test the camera. I'm going to take a picture from front and back camera and also record the video. Okay, let's test. Take a picture and I will show you the result later. Okay, now let's take a video. Okay, hello guys, now I'm recording using the back camera and I will stop this one. Okay, now let's switch the camera and let's take a picture. Okay, now let's record the video. Okay, hello guys, now I'm recording from the front camera and I'll stop this one. Okay, so now let's check the result. The default gallery is using Google Photo. And now let's check the result. Okay, this is the result of the back camera. Quite nice. We have details. And okay, let's go back. This is the result of the front camera, and let's test. Let's check the result for the video. I'm recording using the back camera, and I'll stop this one. Okay, nice. I'm recording using the back. So the sound is clear enough and quite large enough. Okay, hello guys, now I'm recording from the front camera. Okay, nice. So we have no problem when recording sound in the video, because sometimes in the custom ROM when you're taking video, record a video, the sound kind of small, but it's normal in here. So big applause for PixelExperience. Okay, what else? Now let's check the ID64. Goes to the CPU and we can check in here. It's using the Snapdragon 695 and the nanometer it's 6. It's using the 6 nanometer. The CPU clock range between 300 and 2.2 gigahertz. Okay. Okay, what else? Maybe some of you guys want to check the CPU throttle. Okay, let's check the CPU. This test usually you're usually using this test to test the stability for the phone, okay, for the CPU and the GPU, and it's usually test for phone stress testing, okay. And usually if it's quite stable enough, it will good enough for gaming. Okay, if it's volatile, up and down, it's not good enough. But we can see right here it's quite stable performance. Okay, and just for information, this test will make your CPU more hotter usually. Okay, let's stop this one. So I have tested for 1 minute and 45 seconds. The max DPI is 185 and the minimal is 151. It's quite stable enough. As I said before, this is the stress test. It means you're going to expect the CPU or the phone getting hot. Okay, if it's not hot like this, your phone is quite good enough. Okay, I don't feel any hot, so quite nice. And we're going to test another test. Let's open the YouTube. Now we're going to open the YouTube and play music and sound video, and we're going to check the sound and video playback. Okay, nice. Let's try one more time. Okay, very nice. It has a large sound and nice video, so we don't have any problems with the sound and video playback. Okay, and what else? Maybe you can want to see the natural design one more time. It's very smooth and I don't feel any lag in here. Okay, that's all guys. So now for the verdict. Okay, so we have test the camera for recording and taking a picture. There is no problem, and it has a loud sound. GPS is also working. The Wi-Fi and SIM card and email also working. The sound and video playback, it's also nice and it has a loud sound, and it's fast enough and quite stable enough. Okay, if you guys want to have a better camera, you can always use the Gcam. Okay, that's all. And for the conclusion, I will very recommend this ROM. Very nice, very stable. If you want to use a ROM that free from bloatware, it doesn't like the MIUI that have lots of ads and bloatware, I will very recommend using this ROM. Okay, that's all guys. This is a video tutorial on how to flash a custom recovery PixelExperience Android 13 on the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. Okay, I hope it helps you, and I hope that you can follow the instruction. I will provide the link in the description box. And I hope you like my video. If you find it very useful, please give it a thumb. And I also have lots of video about routing, custom ROM, and lots of fun. Okay, especially Xiaomi, Samsung, Realme, Asus, and other stuff. Okay, you can find in my video. Maybe some of the video will be useful for you. Okay guys, if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make a new video. And that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum.